In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics on your Google site. This process is straightforward but can do wonders in helping you track the performance and engagement of your site. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Sites. If you haven't already done so, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Sites, or simply search for it on Google. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll want to locate your site if you have multiple ones. Choose the site you want to work on from your list. Now you should have your site's dashboard open, displaying all the different elements you can customize. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a sidebar with a variety of options. Within this sidebar, you are looking for the section labeled Analytics. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Analytics section, you'll notice a field where you can input your Google Analytics tracking or measurement ID. If you're unfamiliar, this ID is unique to your Google Analytics account and serves as a bridge between the Analytics platform and your site, enabling the data collection. You can find your tracking ID by logging into your Google Analytics account, navigating to the Admin section, and then selecting the correct property under the Property column. There, you'll find your tracking or measurement ID displayed at the top. After copying your tracking ID from Google Analytics, return to your Google Site settings and paste the ID into the designated input field in the Analytics section. It's crucial that you make sure there are no typos or extra spaces here, as this would prevent the proper connection between your accounts. Once you've input your tracking ID, your task here is almost done. Double check to ensure everything is entered correctly, and then you can save your changes. This will allow Google Analytics to start tracking your site's data, providing valuable insights such as visitor numbers, engagement rates, and user demographics. Finally, you're done. Your Google site is now linked with Google Analytics, and as visitors start interacting with your site, you'll be able to view their behavior and other analytics data within your Google Analytics account. Remember, it might take a little time for data to start showing up, so be patient. With your Google site connected to Google Analytics, you can now make more informed decisions about your site's content and design. This data is key to optimizing your site for better engagement and performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. Feel free to reach out with any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.